CUBE Toploader with Caddies, solutions for K through 12.
Hi, my name is Grace and I am one of the K-12 reps over here at Bretford, and today I'm going to be talking about our CUBE Toploader line with Caddies. So right now, right here, I have our CUBE Toploader 30 with our Caddies. What's really cool about this cart is it has a safe, soft open lid. We designed this cart with safety in mind. So not only the soft open lid allows for safer opening, but also no squished fingers from slamming doors. Also, we added rounded edges to the top and bumpers to prevent any squishing, and there's no hinges in the back that can squish fingers. Also, there's nothing that slides or flops out that might harm somebody in the classroom. So this cart, we were thinking about not only the protection of your devices, but also safety.
The Bretford Caddy.
Our CUBE Toploader 30 with Caddies house 6 of our brand new Bretford Caddies. So our Bretford Caddies were created with another leading manufacturer in device protection, Higher Ground. These Caddies feature an ergonomic handle, a lightweight body, individual padding between the devices, and houses up to 5 devices at 13 inches per device, as well as an ID tag for the front, whether that's identifying what cart, what classroom, what student is going to utilize these Caddies, as well as a hydrophobic fabric, which allows for ease of cleaning as well as prevention of any spills, liquid damage, things like that. And finally, a rubberized bottom to prevent any slipping or moving around, whether it's on the surface or in the carts.
Wiring with CABLEBOSS. First, remove the side panel with the screw located at the top of the divider panel. Place the panel off to the side. Next, take your power cord and adapter and feed the adapter down into the bottom of the cart, leaving just enough cord on top to measure to the end of the cart. Bend the cord together and insert it into the CABLEBOSS. Then, locate the bottom panel on the front of the cart, open it with the provided key, find the cord to plug in, and insert it into the outlet. Repeat these steps for 10 cords, filling an entire CABLEBOSS line on each side of the divider panel. After inserting all cords, grab the bottom ends together and pull them to the middle of the divider panel. Locate the side panel, place the ends into the designated spaces on the bottom, and fasten the panel with a screw. Repeat these steps for all 3 sections.
We offer this top loader not only in the traditional form, but also preloaded with USB-C adapters ready to go out of the box. So, if you want to learn more about our CUBE Toploader 30 with Caddies, feel free to go to Bretford.com or reach out to your Bretford sales rep. Thanks.
Order your CUBE Toploader today by scanning the QR code on the screen.